raking Moby Barley here today with a New Holland Rolabar 56 rake. They made them from 1957 to 2019. I believe they've stopped making them now. But we're going to rake this Moby Barley into single windrows because it's pretty heavy in patches, and what we'll do is we'll have to rake it probably 2 or 3 times to get it to dry down. Yeah, the Moby Barley is actually drying down pretty good because we're starting to get a bit of heat this time of the year. I'm going to rake it into single windrows today because we'll let the heat get into it in the air, and then we'll probably double them up and we'll bale it, but we'll see what they look like after we do it, because the old baler mightn't handle the big windrows. Oh, we'll start raking it here now, and hopefully it'll only take a little while to do it, and we'll see what it looks like after that.
It shouldn't take that long to rake it.
Shouldn't do. See how we go.
Looks alright.
Righto, I'll get at it. This sandy country here has not produced nothing here on the bad spot, and it's a terrible raking job because it's thick in some spots and there's nothing in other spots, and I'm just going to have to try and rake it into some windrows and try and get it up. Anyway, we'll see how we go when we get going with that. Oh, well, when this is dry, see, you chew it there, and it's wet on those knolls, and if there's any grain in the heads, which there isn't, you have to wait for that to dry, but there's no grain in the heads, so we just have to wait for these knolls to dry, and it's still very green, so we'll have to wait. I'm just going to run around the outside stuff at the house again, around the fire break. We cut and bale that up as well, and feed that out to the cows. Well, next year I'll plant the hay on some better ground than what we've got here, and hopefully it'll be better than it is. It's really good in the patches, it's good, and there's nothing that is where the sandy land's no good.